So in this trick of Vedic mathematics, we will learn how to multiply two numbers by crisscross system. So there are three steps given in this system. So 1, 2 and 3 and 4. So if we want to connect these four numbers, so first we will connect these two numbers, and in the step 2 we will connect this into this and then this into this, and in step 3 we will connect these two numbers. So how to implement it? So according to step 1, we will just multiply 3 and 2. 3 and 2 means 6 here, and thereafter according to step 2 we will just write it like this: 2 3 1 2, multiply this plus multiply this, that is 4 plus 3, that is 7, and that 7 I will be writing here. And as per step 3 we will multiply these two numbers, 2 and 1, we will multiply these two numbers, that is 2, and that I will write here. So ultimately our final answer will be 276. For more mathematics updates, you may check my YouTube channel. Its name is Notion of Mathematics.